Yeah, they're probably dipping out.
Oh, hell yeah. Hey, put me on. Hey, hey. Tell me from my house. I literally need it. What was this? With the fence?
I'm seeing them searching somebody right now. They're taking them.
What's your name?
Joaquin?
Yeah, no, they did. They had his bag on top of the truck because they was getting.
I'm a big advocate for fucking our constitutional rights. And putting them where they need to be and not letting them pump fear in us and no, we gotta earn constitutional rights. Nah, bro, I'm bored with this shit. You guys were here before, dude. You guys would have heard me. I was in here clowning these dudes. Clowning them. I mean, it's my first ever right. Freedom of speech.
Look up Midwest Accountability. I come all the way out of the building.
No. Hey, Kern County's one of the, like,
I've been out here several times.
rudest fucking counties ever. All right, pedal guy. Shave that mustache. You're looking really scary.
So where's the guy in
I
there?
had a cop out here bum rush.
Yeah, they put him in that car.
Yeah.
Or he might be in this car, I don't
Get
know.
away from my car.
I got video, bro. Like, I literally stood here, and it was shortage at the gas pump. Another citizen was a jerk about it. I told him you're a jerk, and then I was trying to like get the gas station. I let him pursue me. Didn't know I
Damn,
was
that
here.
many?
And
Wow.
he started to tell the cop that I had brandished a firearm for hot explosive. So I'm getting in my car, and he said, hey, sir, I go, am I being detained or am I being questioned? Oh, you're being detained. Never put handcuffs on me. So basically, you just searched me illegally, never searched my vehicle. And like, what happened? I was like, I don't have a question. You do your job.
They have to articulate why you're being
How the fuck
detained.
am I paying your salary and then you want me to do your job for you?
I don't answer questions of that are discovery and legal.
I swear, bro. And then I was here, like, there was like 12 of them. I was burning them down. Like, one dude, like, dude, Mark gave you a second chance. And
No, I did. I
Did
have
you
it.
record it?
jail. Yeah,
I got it recorded, yeah.
supposedly for
Send it to
brandishing a
me. They'll highlight it.
Cool. Brandishing supposedly a firearm. The judge was like, "Where's the firearm?" We got dismissed it. But it was inconvenient because I went to jail. I bailed out, and then like they're just fucking jerks. Like I flip them off all the time. I just stay within my constitutional rights.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I don't bother their.
You don't use them, you lose them.
Yeah, I tell them I don't call you guys. I don't need you guys. You guys are just jerks in every way. Condescending and manners.
Yeah.
You know, you guys don't have no respect for the public. Like, he's in there telling her that we're like animals or dirtbags, you know? Not the case.
Yeah, there's a trainee with him.
I'm gonna send you the link, though. Seriously. I'm gonna send you the video.
My email's on there.
I swear, I'm gonna send you the video and highlight it real quick. And what it was for me was like, dude, you guys were out here like 12 cars deep, and supposedly there was a call about a firearm. Where is the urgency? You guys just really just allow me to talk shit. You guys just felt some type of way to me and take my call perfect. And you guys made me look bad in front of my kids. Here's my neighbor.
This is my form of activism. Well, cop watching is a form of activism in
Because I
itself.
tried that, but it has the same bright lights as these. And I was here, and the sheriff hit brights 3 times. I'm like, these are not my brights 3 times. And he hit them again. I hit him again. The other cars are nervous. I'm like, well, I'm gonna go. And he gets behind me, puts the side lights on. Like, what's your problem, bro? I ain't your fucking bro. I'm not your fucking bro. Where in the California handbook does it say there's flashing lights? Where?
Back to work.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, man. Hey, you guys be safe and never back down, never surrender, man. You guys are our voice.
All right, man. Stay
That's what I
safe.
tell people, man. Your constitutional right, you're born
I
with them.
got hired up.
Oh, yeah.
Midwest Accountability.
Give me 3 seconds.
Hell yeah. I always record the cops.
I do too.
Hell yeah.
I do too. I just never.
It's on my snap. I had the volume off, sorry.
I'm never like getting close to that.
They all
I'm
up on
never
your
making
property?
Aggressive, like
Yeah.
gestures
So does the
towards
video
them.
actually have volume?
Yeah, it
Yeah.
does. It's
Copy your link
I got
and
good
send it
ones,
to
bro.
my email.
I got great.
Send it to my email, bro. I'll post them on my channel.
never
I got over
intimidated by
500,000 subscribers on my channel, bro.
I want to do it, bro. I really want to do it.
He helped me share my first
And
video.
then after that, they arrested
yeah,
him.
man.
I mean, I don't have
for a
problems
couple
with
hours and let him go.
Hey, man, be strong in this shit. I do. I know the word of the I don't answer questions, and they can't. They do. It's beautiful. I see the guys walking with firearms, expressing their fucking their customs right with the firearms.
Yeah.
They have the fishing license, so it's legal.
Yeah.
Yeah, send that to me.
Walking
Send it
to and
send me
from.
the videos,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Weren't
it's
you
dope.
at the construction or like a chemical plant mixing or whatever?
Yeah,
And,
Vegas
and the
like
employees were
2 years ago?
trying to like fucking like bully a guy.
Yeah.
Like, dude, you're not scared.
Yeah.
Like, but man, I always watch. I always watch your videos. And I get
Yeah,
pumped.
that's
I'm
what's
like,
up, bro.
hell yeah, dude. No, we should.
Well, we appreciate the support, really.
Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it a
I
lot.
appreciate you guys.
Be
You know
safe, man.
Yeah, thank you,
I'll
man.
send you the videos,
Too.
though.
All right, for sure.
Be safe out there, man.
Thank you, bro.
That's what's up.
Oh, yeah.
That's what we like to see right there.
How's it going, brother?
What's up, buddy?
You guys get a call out here? What's that?
Yeah, we did. Why was up?
I'm just checking to see what's going on, make sure everybody's okay. Good. Or take your name badge number right quick. 1537. Thank you. 1537 just hanging out with his phone. So we got a call out here.
Is there anyone on the other one?
There's someone on the other side.